Disclaimer. All information is directly pulled from the most current listings of United States codes at the time of uploading. No person should take the information or interpretations presented here as legal advice, or advice of any kind. All legal research or request for legal interpretations should be done individually, as all information presented can be changed at any moment. United States Code Title II, the Congress. Chapter 5, Library of Congress. Section 141A, Design, Installation, and Maintenance of Security Systems, Transfer of Responsibility. The text reads: the responsibility for design, installation, and maintenance of security systems to protect the physical security of the buildings and grounds of the Library of Congress is transferred from the architect of the Capitol to the Capitol Police Board. Such design, installation, and maintenance shall be carried out under the direction of the Committee on House Oversight of the House of Representatives and the Committee on Rules and Administration of the Senate, and without regard to Section 6101 of Title 41. Any alteration to a structural, mechanical, or architectural feature of the buildings and grounds of the Library of Congress that is required for a security system under the preceding sentence may be carried out only with the approval of the architect of the Capitol. This means the Capitol Police Board is in charge of designing, installing, and maintaining a security system for the Library of Congress building and grounds. These tasks will be overseen by the following committees: House Oversight of the House of Representatives. Rules and Administration of the Senate. These tasks do not have to be stalled for proper advertising in order for money to be spent on them, as stated in Title 41, Section 6101. If the library building or grounds have to be altered in order to accommodate a proper security system, it must be approved by the architect of the Capitol. I am not a lawyer, a politician, a representative of the United States government, or an expert in any field related to any of the information being presented here. I am merely a concerned citizen hoping to bring the rules that dictate our country to light in an easier to understand fashion than is being presented to us currently. Thank you. Please go to the Office of the Law Revision Council for a complete list of up-to-date versions of United States codes. The link is in the description below. https://uscode.house.gov. Please like and subscribe for more releases and updates.